Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe with ERA Suncoast Realty. I'm out here today at 2305 East Hercala Lane in Hernando, Florida. It's just about to hit the market, will be on the market soon. We are pricing this at $275,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on 10 acres in a wonderful neighborhood here in Hernando, Florida. Very peaceful. It needs a little bit of cosmetic work, but for 10 acres with this huge house, it's 2,500 square foot. It's got an additional barn, 3 sheds, and just a really awesome deal for somebody who doesn't mind to put in a little bit of cosmetic work on this place. So join me on this tour, and if you would like any more information, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Now, it's got a beautiful circular driveway, and the property goes all of this part that has not been mowed yet, that goes with this home. So it's 10 acres, all of this, lots of room in the back. Got a really nice large parking pad over here and a basketball goal. Here's the front of the house, and plenty of space to park over here. Here is a view of the road. So the home is set back off the road a good ways. This home is listed by Terrace Stewart with ERA American Realty, and you can give either her or myself a call to see this home in person. I'm sure it won't last long at this price. So we're going to enter the front door. It's a nice entryway. Here is the living room, and I thought this detail was really nice. We've got some display shelves here. Got double doors leading into the living room. A good size window here. Solid doors. Very pretty. Okay. Let's take you into the kitchen area. A good sized kitchen. Perfect for the person who loves to cook. These are beautiful countertops and cabinets. Got a stainless steel fridge. Again, more cabinets where you can store your nicer dishes. A beautiful view looking out from your sink. Got a good size screened in porch area here, and all of that property back there, I'll take you and see it, but 10 acres. Also, I thought this was really cool. Look at these. So you can pull out these cabinets. You've got storage space behind there. Really a cool feature, I thought. Okay. Now we're going to pass through into the dining room, and I would call this also maybe a family room and dining room area. Here's where the dining room would be. We've got sliding glass doors to get out back to the back patio there. A really cool fireplace. Again, a big window, lots of natural light. And one thing that Terry pointed out to me, which I thought was really cool, is that if you are in a situation where, like, say you have older kids, or maybe you've got mom and dad living with you, you could shut these doors right here, and that person can have this whole side of the house to themselves, because it's sort of like a 2 master bedroom situation. So this could be the family room or an office. I mean, there's so many uses for this. here's where the second master bedroom is. Good size room and a good size bathroom here. There we go. Okay. Now, all the other 3 bedrooms are on the other side of the home. So let's walk back over there. Again, here's kind of trying to give you a good idea about the flow of the home. Here we are, here's the front door again. And hallway, this is a linen closet. Another linen closet. We've got the main bathroom here, it's good size. This is a tub and shower combo here. There we go. Bedroom 1, guest bedroom or kids bedroom or office if you don't need it for either of those purposes. Another size, good size bedroom. There we are. Hi guys. Now I'm going to take you into the master bedroom. This would be the master. Good size again. Plenty of room for a king size bed, walk-in closet, master bathroom. Again, the quality of the cabinetry in here is really nice. You can tell that's been updated recently. Now, if you're not a fan of pink or yellow bathrooms, that is totally okay. I understand. You can have those reglazed with basically any color that you want, and it's very inexpensive. So if that's just like a major turnoff for you, no big deal. Again, the little bay window here, you could put a little breakfast table there. Back in the kitchen, here's the laundry room. All right. Now I want to take you out to the screened-in patio, screened-in porch area, and we'll go and take a look at the rest of the property. Okay. Big screened-in porch. Big screened-in porch. Okay. Now you've got still a covered porch here on this side. That is the laundry room door right there and the bay window from the kitchen. That's still a good size area here. All right, now I'm going to take you out to see the beautiful property. We've got gorgeous old oak trees here. Here is one shed, 2 sheds, and there's another shed back there. I believe one of these was used as a chicken coop. Look at this beautiful old oak tree here. Absolutely gorgeous. So it feels like the country out here, but really we're only a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes to the nearest Publix and Walmart, YMCA in Beverly Hills, Hernando area. There is another shed. There we go. Really peaceful. Now, let's take you out to the barn. Take a look here at the property. This would be a great place if you had horses. Or if you just like your privacy. Okay, again here, all of this is included in the 10 acres here. All of this over here. the barn. This is a big barn too, guys. It doesn't look like it from the outside, but once you get inside, you realize how big it is. Okay, here is like a lean-to. There is a concrete pad here, as well as inside the barn. So let me show you inside here. Again, there's electric to the barn as well. All right, here we are. It's a little dark, guys, but this is just a hobbyist dream here. Storage, really cool. Workshop. Yeah, everything that you see here is basically going to stay here. The owners, the sellers have already moved back up to Michigan. So everything that is here stays. Now we've come into this side. Again, there's a concrete pad down here and another couple rooms and a lean-to out here. Really cool. All right. Okay. So that was it. I mean, there's a lot more to explore. Like I said, 10 acres. I know I've said that a lot, but it is just absolutely gorgeous, peaceful out here. Needs a little bit of cosmetic updating. The roof has still plenty of years of life left on it, and the AC was replaced recently as well. So those two things are taken care of. There was one more thing that I wanted to show you because I thought it was just so charming. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a tree right out there and it has a tire swing on it. Just really cool. Really cool piece of property. Oh, one more thing. I forgot. There's so much to see here. One more thing. Back behind the barn is, ooh, banana spider. Ooh, almost walked right into that. Okay, go around the spiders. This thing. Another really cool area. To keep things dry under, store things. Yeah. So just really cool. All right. So yes, that was the property. Okay guys, 2305 East Hercala Drive or Lane in Hernando, Florida. If you would like to see this home in person, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.